Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. CAT 2025 happened recently and I hope it went well for all of you. Now if you're planning for CAT 2026, this is the right time to start preparing. Starting early always reduces pressure near the exam. So when I was preparing for CAT 2024, I took IMS online coaching because I was working along with preparation. Coaching helped me to follow a structured plan and stay consistent. So the biggest question students ask is whether to take coaching and which institute is the best. There are hundreds of coaching classes in India, so today I'm going to give a quick and honest comparison of the most popular ones. These include Career Launcher, IMS, Time, iQuanta, PhysicsWallah, Rodha, Cat King and CrackU. So let us begin. IMS is one of the most established names in CAT preparation and it is known for its structure content. IMS has a very strong test series that closely matches the actual CAT exam pattern. Their concept videos are short, clear and easy to understand. But on the other hand, the fees are on the higher end and usually ranging between 30,000 to 60,000 depending on the course and the mode you choose. The response from offline center is not very good and there is difference in teaching style between live classes and the offline classes. App interface sometimes can feel slow and laggy. Con teaching is good, but it is not fast paced as Rodha or iQuanta, let's say. Also, their national mentor, who was also a well-known con faculty, has recently left IMS along with some other teachers. But IMS is best suited for college students who want a very structured preparation plan, especially in offline mode. iQuanta is very popular among working professionals and self-study students because of its study material, class, structure and teaching quality. Also, the doubt solving is active almost 24/7 through online groups. This gives students and working professionals the flexibility to practice and clear doubts at any time. The syllabus is covered in great detail. Many students share that they are able to build concepts step by step from basics to advanced levels. Their fees are affordable. They are usually around 5,000 for books and up to 30,000 for courses. These courses include important features such as doubt support, concept videos, study material and unlimited access. VRC is one of the strongest areas, especially after Shabana ma'am joined them. Quant has also become stronger after joining of Amit Panchmatia sir, who is well-known quant faculty. But the practice material is very vast. Each section has large amount of content, so students need to decide carefully which material to focus on. Class timings are usually in the evening and at the night. So this is suitable for working professionals but may not be ideal for students who prefer studying early in the morning. So iQuanta is best suited for, as I said, working professionals who want to be part of an active 24/7 online groups and prefer live and application-based classes to build strong fundamentals. Time has been a traditional favorite among students who prepare for CAT through class-time programs. Time offers very strong content for quant and DIR. The study material is detailed and covers all levels of difficulty from basic to advanced. The classroom environment is strict and disciplined, which helps students stay focused. Time has a strong offline presence with centers across India. Their content is heavy and time consuming, which makes it less suitable for working professionals. Also, the difficulty level of mock test sometimes fluctuates and the online interface needs improvement. Their fees are high, similar to IMS, especially in the tier 1 cities with offline centers. So time is best suited for students who prefer offline coaching and a disciplined classroom environment and very detailed study material. Career Launcher has a strong offline network and it is known for good LRDI teaching. Career Launcher has a strong faculty for LRDI and strategy-based sessions. The difficulty level of the CAT test series is close to the actual exam trend and it is good option for classroom programs, especially in the metro cities. But their batch size is sometimes large, which can reduce personal attention. The online content is not as engaging when we compare it with iQuanta or let's say PhysicsWallah. So Career Launcher is best suited for students who want balanced overall CAT preparation program with strong offline classroom options. CrackU has built a strong reputation for providing affordable and high quality practice test series for CAT preparation. Their daily practice targets are well designed and very effective for regular preparation. Mock test and sectional test are affordable with prices starting from around 1,000. Also, the platform has a very simple, clean and easy to use interface. But the video lectures are basic and may not be sufficient for concept building from scratch. Also, it is not ideal for students who need one-to-one mentoring or personal guidance. So CrackU is best suited for students who want strong practice materials and quality mock test at low cost. Rodha is well known for its deep and concept-focused teaching, especially in quant. Rodha provides excellent explanation for quant and LRDA topics. Concept clarity is very strong, which helps in long-term understanding. It is suitable for students who are aiming for high percentile in CAT. LRDA content is limited when compared to some other platforms. Feedback from the VRC faculty is not very positive. Rodha does not have large offline presence. It is not ideal for complete beginners who are starting from scratch. But it is best suited for students who want to strengthen their quant and they are aiming for high percentile. Physics Wala has become popular mainly because of its affordable pricing. They offer lowest fees among the listed options, usually ranging between 3,000 to 10,000. It is good for beginners who need basic guidance and structured support at start. Advanced level LRDA and quant content is not very strong yet. Personalized mentorship and individual attention are limited. The test series is not as good and accurate or close to the actual exam pattern when we compare it with IMS or Career Launcher. So Physics Wala is best suited for students with low budget or those who are just starting their CAT preparation from the basics. After analyzing the pros and cons of each coaching, the right choice depends completely on your personal situation and preparation needs. Basically, if you need CAT level mock test and structured content, then IMS online is the good option. If you're working professional and want good faculty support, flexibility, strong doubt solving, then iQuanta is better option. If you prefer strict discipline, offline classroom teaching, and then you should join Time. If quant is your weakest area and you want deep concept clarity, then Rodha is the right option for you. If you want strong practice test at low cost, CrackU is good for you. If your budget is very limited and you're starting from basics, then Physics Wala is the suitable option for you. And if you want the offline coaching along with reliable mock test, Career Launcher is a good option for you. I hope this simple and honest comparison helped you to understand which CAT coaching suits you the best. If you want detailed review of any specific coaching institute or you want a video on how to start CAT preparation from zero, then let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you there.